Hey baby, I just want to say that I miss you so much, and it sucks to be here. I hate it, and I wish I could come earlier, but I can't do anything about it. I'm kind of trapped here. At least I have my passport in my bag, but I need money. I can't move without them. It doesn't feel very good to be here. Well, they have a nice house and all, but that's not me. I never will. And we're going to dinner later. I don't really want to. I cried the whole evening yesterday. And I feel so. Well, I packed my bag, as you can see. Finally did it. And I went from home. And it hurts to not be with you. It hurts so bad. But I can't. They said that... Well, actually, Annette said that when I live here, I can make new friends. Real friends. I can meet a nice guy. Or guys. Or whatever. But I don't want to. I don't. So the only... Well, she said that they're not gonna let me go until I'm good again. I'm strong. So I'm gonna try. But I think I have to go now. And I love you so much. Bye bye.